Good morning guys! Aki's here again. Ayan guys. So I will gonna share you guys kung ano yung nabili ko dito sa Susan. Kasi nagtitingin lang ako ng mga kung ano meron doon. Tapos dapat kakain lang ako sa restaurant kasi nakakaumay yung food nila dito. So kasi kung ano yung food nila kasi ng morning, bukas din, kinabukasan, same pa din. So, kung anong food nila ng evening, ganun din ang sunod na gabi. Kaya lumabas ako at doon nagmuni-muni. Ayun guys, so I would like to show you guys kung ano yung mga nabili. Ito, yung parang sabi, for the muscle daw. So, buksan natin. Pero gusto ko siya yung kulay niya guys. Alam niyo naman, light blue. Diba? Light blue. Blue, basta may light na blue. Yun na yun. Favorite ko na yun. O, diba? Ganun daw siya. 1, 2, 1, 2. O, diba? Ang hirap din, pero ang ganda, no? Ganun pala siya. Parang ano siya, jelly. Jelly siya guys. Ang ganda. Ang sarap din. Pero masakit sa kamay pag iganon mo siya. Yan. Pero okay na din siya. So, next. Yan. Ito, gagamitin ko siya guys sa aking face mamaya. Atras tayo konti kasi hindi kita. Ayan. Ito yung tanggalin na natin sa kanyang hawla. Buksan. Alam mo, itong plastic na to ang hirap buksan. Basta plastic talaga ang hirap gibain, no? Sirain. Tignan mo. Ang hirap. Ikaw, ano ka? Tupperware or plastic? Diba? Ayan. Smooth siya guys, maganda. Ay. Ay. Next. 'Di ba? Iba na naman yung blue. Green. Blue. Purple. Ewan. Patingin. Exercise din siya guys. Ay, para siyang uod. Meron siya. Paano? Ay, ganun. Parang ano naman siya guys. Para siyang mahahati. Para siyang mahahati guys. Pero okay na din siya. Exercise. I must lang. Yan, next. Ayan, ito guys. I-try ko to siya guys. Kasi para siyang, sabi, galing sa ano siya. Made from Korea. Korean siya guys. Sabi niya, long boots fitting fac. O, diba? Ayan. Yan, long boots fitting fac. Pack. 20 minutes. Simple and easy self-foot care. Ayan, try natin siya mamaya. Sabi niya dito guys, yung nga. Hindi ko maintindihan kasi Korean. Hindi naman tayo Korean guys. We are not Korean, so that's why we cannot Next. Yan, para sa aking hair. Kasi nga guys, yung buhok ko, yung hair ko, if I'm just finishing shower, or it's just like I'm putting some like shampoo, you cannot see any those fallen hair. But if I will use how to say, conditioner, when I wash it in, my god, there's a lot of hair. Yeah, so maybe I need this one to protect my hair. So let me try this. This is made from Korea. Made from Korea guys. Yan. They said is 99% fresh moisturizing soothing gel. Huli ka. Ay, huli ka. Sabi niya guys, oh. Huli ka. Ay, nahuli niya ako guys. Nahuli niya ako. Next is for my face. Not face. Here. I haven't yet tried guys, but let's see. Puro Korean siya guys. Ang kakapal ng plastic. Tulad mo. Kokosta. Ayan. Ay, hindi pa siya mabuksan. Ay, meron siyang ganyan. Paano to? Let me see. Bakit may kutsara? Ay, mamaya na. Mamaya na yan. Yan. This one, for my food. Because I'm always going out and then my feet is too much damaged na. Yeah, I remember when Chinese told me when I go to facial massage, facial something like that. You know what she said? Because I asked how many days we got another, to maintain. You know what she said? Every 10 days come back because your face is so serious. I was laughing, and then I said okay. I went there like 2 months. Yeah, but I stopped it because a lot of people going there and I saw their tools. Yeah, they stuff not wash well. So if you're going out and do something from your face, make it sure that the place that you will go is clean. Yeah, what their stuff they are using, make it sure they are clean. Next, this one guys. The only one thing is I forgot to bring my anong tawag dito? Tanggal ingron. Nipper? Is it nipper? There's ingron, so I need to remove it. So I will gonna use first this one to make all this smooth, and also same like my feet will be, and then I will scrub it, because scrub is scrub to remove the dark dead skin or the hard skin or whatever is it. So I want to put this one on my hair, and then will not gonna wet, right? Pero I like the color, diba? Ganda. Let me try. Ay, hindi. Okay ba? Okay ba siya? Ganyan siya guys. Ang ganda, no? I like it. Para kang bata. But you know what I love it? The color. Mostly colors. Because blue is blue. If you haven't subscribed yet my channel, please like, share this video, and turn on the notification bell down below.